कल का जो वीडियो लेक्चर मैंने तुमको दिया था उसमें सब एडजस्टमेंट्स और बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स डिस्कस किए थे, तो आई एम श्योर तुम लोग ने वो देख ही लिया होगा। अगर तुम नहीं देख पाए कोई रीजन से तो उसको प्लीज देख लेना। नाउ water adjustments and all okay are there along with the sum. I'll explain you once again so that your concepts become clear. Now we are going to do illustration one because exercise sums I've already done in my video lecture. So let's go for illustration one, page number 45. Take a pen or pencil. Now, as you know, the first step is okay. So the first step over here is we will take the important adjustments, the accounts which are affected, and we will see what item from trial balance goes to trading, P&L, or balance sheet, and that is how we'll be going by. We will be also be highlighting or marking the hidden adjustments. So adjustments we will be marking, then whether the accounts given in trial balance will go to trading, profit and loss, balance sheet. Okay, that also we will be doing over here, and then only we will start the sum. Now why we are doing this is so that you at least go through the sum once. Okay, so it becomes easier for you to solve it. Now Ram and Shyam are partners of a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 6:4. 6:4 यानी 3:2. इसको underline कर लेना. It can also be taken as 3:2. From the following trial balance dated 31/3/2017 and adjustments, prepare annual accounts of the firm. Now drawings and capital will directly go to partners capital account. Debtors, it's your asset, so mark A. Stock, trading, you can also write trading debit, trading credit, but here it is already given debit balance. So we just write trading. Sales return, we deduct from sales. तो sales जहाँ पे दिख रहा है वहाँ पे टिक कर दो. तो ये चला जाएगा from minus sales. Cash balance, asset, purchase, trading, discount allowed, profit and loss, bad debt, profit and loss. Now, bad debt, just check, is there any adjustments for bad debts? Yes, we have bad debt reserves and all. So this bad debt is bad debt as per trial balance. Then machines, asset. Now over here, this is a typical point that here you have depreciation on machine also. And that is the reason why I'm solving this sum in my live session. There are few interesting adjustments in this illustration. Now depreciation on machine is given in trial balance. It means this depreciation is already deducted from the value of machine or from the balance of machine. So first let's check out, is there any adjustment for depreciation on machine? Please go through your textbook, check करो कहीं दिया है depreciation on machine. Adjustment number 3 is where I can see it's given depreciation on machine is provide 10%. Provide 10%. It means what all we have calculated, we add back to machine. हम ऐसा मान लेते हैं कि ये जितना भी depreciation है वो सही नहीं कैलकुलेट हुआ है तो उसको हम रिवर्स कर देते हैं. तो ये जो depreciation है it will be added to machine. और मशीन को टिक कर दो बिकॉज उसको अफेक्ट करेगा. टिक मशीन. Then obviously machine goes to assets, so depreciation on machines we will add. See, there are many ways we can solve this, but let's follow one method. Now if you will say ki, sir, what if percentage was not given in adjustment? If it was not given, we would have directly transferred depreciation on machine to profit and loss. Okay, but here it is given, so we add this depreciation on machines to machines. Then furniture, asset, sundry expense, profit and loss, leasehold building. but in the bracket it is given for 4 years. It means it is a hidden adjustment. So we need to give the effects. So leasehold building tick कर दो. 4 साल का 7,000 तो 1 year का कितना? That much we have to write off. Goodwill, asset, trading expense. Can you tell me trading expense will go where? Trading account or profit and loss account?
Profit and loss.
Yes, very good. Trading expense will go to profit and loss. Rent and taxes, profit and loss. Carriage inward, trading. Bank interest, profit and loss. Insurance premium, profit and loss. Salary, profit and loss. Wages, trading. Prepaid insurance, it's our asset, current asset. So A. जस्ट चेक डेबिट साइड सब कुछ हो गया. हिडन एडजस्टमेंट मार्क कर दिया. यहाँ पे ए लिख दो एडजस्टमेंट का. यहाँ पे भी लिख सकते हो. ओके. देन capital will go to partners capital account. Creditors liability. Purchase return minus from purchase. So purchase को टिक कर दो. इसमें से ये डिडक्ट हो जाएगा. बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट liability balance amount withdrawn more than the bank balance is known as bank overdraft. Bad debt reserve ब्रैकेट में लिखो as per trial balance. इसको हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में ले जाते हैं. देन outstanding wages profit and loss में इसको माइनस करते हैं. if you remember the format, okay, we'll see that outstanding wages चुकवानो बाकी पगार, money which we have to wages which we have to yet pay, it is our liability. Now 8% गीता's loan. अब ये गीता कोई पार्टनर नहीं है, आउटसाइडर है. परसेंटेज भी दिया है और एट द सेम टाइम डेट भी दिया है. सो देयर इज अ हिडन एडजस्टमेंट. चेक करो इंटरेस्ट कहीं आ रहा है प्रॉफिट और ट्रायल बैलेंस में. डेबिट साइड कहीं इंटरेस्ट का एक्सपेंस है नहीं है तो हमें प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा. तो इसको भी मार्क कर दो एज अ हिडन एडजस्टमेंट. एच लिख दो. ए मत लिखो, खाली कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. We write H. Okay? H is for hidden. And bills payable. Liability. Now चेक कर लो ट्रायल बैलेंस का टोटल टैली हो रहा है कि नहीं. तो हो रहा है. दैट्स गुड. अगर ये टैली नहीं होगा तो बैलेंस शीट भी टैली नहीं होगा. तो ऑलवेज चेक दिस. Now go through it, see everything is marked. Yes. Okay. Closing stock later. 5% interest on capital and drawing later. Provide 10% depreciation on machine and 5% on furniture. So depreciation on machine. So machine में एक adjustment आएगा कि पुराना depreciation add कर देंगे और नया depreciation minus कर देंगे. Furniture पे depreciation provide करेंगे. टिक कर दो. प्रोवाइड 5% बैड डेट रिजर्व ऑन डेटर्स. डेटर्स पे चले जाओ. टिक कर दो. बैड डेट और बैड डेट रिजर्व. ओनली बैड डेट रिजर्व. ओके, तो वन टिक इज फाइन, बट इट्स फाइन. वी विल डू द कंप्लीट फॉर्मेट. आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस सैलरी 500, सन्ड्री एक्सपेंस 150 एंड रेंट 150. तो आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस है तो सैलरी को टिक करो, वेजेस को टिक करो और सैलरी वेजेस सॉरी सैलरी को टिक करो. देन सन्ड्री एक्सपेंस को टिक करो एंड देन रेंट को टिक करो. आर यू एबल टू फाइंड रेंट? यस. रेंट एंड टैक्सेस as per partnership agreement. Interest on capital is payable even if there is loss. So अगर loss भी हुआ तो भी हमें interest on capital provide करना पड़ेगा. Are you all ready with the format? Should we start the sum? Okay, let's start the sum then. सबसे पहले ड्राइंग्स और कैपिटल का बैलेंस लिख दो. कैपिटल 80,000 एंड 70,000. सो कैपिटल अकाउंट में चले जाओ. बाय. जस्ट अ मिनट. बैलेंस bought forward 80,000. टेक्स्ट बुक सामने ही रखना. 70,000. ड्राइंग्स 18,000, 16,000. Okay, next. We start with the debit side, okay, or debit balances. Now, debtors 45,000. So go to balance sheet. Now it's a current asset. So somewhere in the center, we can start writing debtors, inner column 45,000, minus bad debt as per adjustment, then minus bad debt reserve as per adjustment, we underline. If we have discount reserve, then again it will be deducted over here, minus discount reserve, okay. Debtors done, inner column, then stock, opening stock. To opening stock, amount is 25,000. Sales return, so it will be deducted from sales. Sales is 78,150. So credit side, buy sales 78,150, minus sales return 1,000, seven seven one five zero. Cash balance 10,000. Balance sheet, asset side, purchase 60,000. Purchase return 1,500. साथ में ही कर लेंगे. Minus purchase return 1,500, 58,500. Okay, then discount allowed. Now, all of you know this, that in profit and loss account, we always leave first two lines blank because we don't know whether it is gross profit or gross loss. So first two lines always blank. Generally, it is gross profit. We know that, but still, we don't take a chance. And if later on we know that credit side is more, and if we are shortage of space in your notebook, then you can use the about two lines on the debit side as well. As of now, I leave first two lines blank. Okay, so to discount allowed 500. All of you understood this? In 11th also we used to do the same thing. Then bad debts, 400. Now we have a format for bad debts. So let's do that in profit and loss account. To bad debts as per trial balance. Bad debt as per trial balance 400 plus bad debts as per adjustment plus bad debts reserve as per adjustment, and from all these we subtract. Okay, so minus bad debt reserve as per trial balance. This is the format for bad debts in profit and loss account. Important format. तुम ये तीनों प्लस साथ में लिख के फिर टोटल करके उसके नीचे भी माइनस बैड डेट रिजर्व एज पर ट्रायल बैलेंस कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड. Machines. Now machines 18250, but we have to add this depreciation also. So let's go to balance sheet asset side. Machines. One 18250 plus depreciation on machine. We are reversing this. One 1750. Inner column only we do the totals. So 20,000. We leave one line blank for the adjustment. Next, furniture 8,000. Inner column. Sundry expense 1,500. Inner column profit and loss account. Then leasehold building for 4 years 700. 7,000, sorry. Leasehold building for 4 years. So leasehold building 7,000. Now it's a hidden adjustment. So let's do it over here. Minus. It is for 4.
सर सर फर्नीचर पे भी डेप्रिसिएशन है ना?
इनर कॉलम लिखा है ना मैंने.
हाँ हाँ.
ओके.
यस सर, यस यस.
1/4. अब 4 साल के लिए हमने लीज एक साथ भर दिया. 1 year is over, so that much 1/4 portion we have to write off. So 1/4 written off. So let's calculate 7,000 divided by 4. So 1750 is what we have to write off. So 5250. It's a hidden adjustment. Now we give the second effect. to leasehold building, written off 1750. To leasehold building, written off 1750. किसी को कोई डाउट हो तो हाथ रेज करना, ओके? Because I'm not able to see all of you in one screen. So if you have any doubt, then you please raise hand and get it solved at that time itself. Okay. So leasehold building, hidden adjustment, please don't forget now. सर हमको तो पता ही नहीं कि हिडन कैसे ढूंढते हैं. ओके, हाइड एंड सीक तो कभी हमने खेला ही नहीं है, सिर्फ हमने खाया है. तो हिडन एडजस्टमेंट यहाँ पे हम कैसे ढूंढेंगे कि यहाँ पे ना जनरली कोई भी अकाउंट दिया होगा उसके ब्रैकेट में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन दिया होगा, जैसे यहाँ दिया है फॉर 4 years, कोई डेट दिया होगा, कोई परसेंटेज दिया होगा, उससे हम फाइंड करेंगे कि ये हिडन एडजस्टमेंट है कि नहीं. दैट इज हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट. So we solve hidden adjustment along with posting of items of trial balance itself. Then goodwill 40,000. Outer column 40,000. Trading expense 1250. Then rent and taxes 5,000. Inner column. Carriage inward 400. Trading account. Done, Nandita? You have a doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Then bank interest 500. Outer column. Insurance premium 800. Salary 15,000. Inner column. Wages 14,000. Outer column. Trading account. Prepaid insurance 200. Balance sheet asset. नाउ प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस को हमें माइनस नहीं करना है भाई इंश्योरेंस में, क्योंकि ये कोई हमारा एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है, ये ट्रायल बैलेंस में आ रहा है. इट मींस ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिडक्टेड इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, already deducted this prepaid. Okay, the adjustment is already done, and that's why we are having this account in our balance sheet, and that's why it goes to balance sheet asset. Only one effect. Okay, because one effect is because we are transferring from trial balance. तो ऑलरेडी इसका दो इफेक्ट हो चुका है. जो इंश्योरेंस दिया उसमें से ऑलरेडी ये 200 डिडक्ट हो चुका है, और अलग से प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज वी हैव decrease our expense and transfer it to asset. Reduction of expense because it's prepaid, it is not our expense, it is our asset. Paid in advance, यानी एडवांस में पे किया, अभी तक सर्विसेज अवेल किया नहीं है. Okay, all done. चेक कर लो सब कुछ हो गया कि नहीं. ऑलवेज हैव दिस हैबिट. Okay. Now capital already done. Creditors 35,000. Liability side. Then next one. Purchase return already done. Bank overdraft 8,000. Then sales already done. Bad debt reserve as per trial balance 700. Bad debt reserve as per trial balance 700. Outstanding wages. Now outstanding wages trial balance में आ रहा. It means what कि already इसका दो इफेक्ट हमने दे दिया है. ट्रायल बैलेंस में जो भी आएगा it comes from ledger. Ledger में जो भी आएगा it comes from journal entry. So already two effects are given. So outstanding wages is our liability. So let's transfer outstanding wages 1,000. Okay, 8% Geeta's loan 110-2016. It's 15,000. So Geeta का जो loan है उसको लिख दो 8% Geeta's loan 15,000. Now we have a hidden adjustment over here as well. So let's do it. 8% Geeta's loan, 15,000. You can also write in the inner column and add outstanding, or you write separate. We will follow the textbook. We write separate. Now 8% Geeta's loan. When was this loan taken? 110-2016. What is our balance sheet date? 31/3/2017. यानी अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च. 6 महीने के लिए हमने ये पैसा यूज किया है तो इंटरेस्ट पे करना पड़ेगा. सो कैलकुलेट 15,000 इंटू 8% इंटू 6/12. So it comes to 600. So to interest on Geeta's loan. If you want, you can do the working over here. 15,000 into 8% into 6/12. Please always count the months, okay, properly. Don't make a mistake. So it comes to 6/12 4. So 600 rupees. This is once again your hidden adjustment. Give the second effect. Don't forget that. Outstanding interest on Geeta's loan. 600. Outstanding interest on Geeta's loan. 600. किसी को कोई डाउट है? पता चल गया सबको ये? ओके, नेक्स्ट. Bills payable 200. Now credit balances or credit side of trial balance, everything just go through it once. See whether you have done or not. Hidden adjustment भी कर दिया, सब कुछ हो गया. Great. Now let's go to the adjustment. Now before you start the adjustment, always check कि तुमने ट्रायल बैलेंस का सब कुछ बराबर पोस्ट किया है कि नहीं. हिडन एडजस्टमेंट है उसका टू इफेक्ट्स दिया है कि नहीं. ट्रायल बैलेंस टैली हो रहा है कि नहीं. Then go to adjustment. Now closing stock is 45,000, market value 10% more. तो क्या लेंगे? 45,000 लेंगे या 45,000 प्लस 10% लेंगे?
45,000.
45,000.
Because the rule is we have to take lower of the two, cost or market price, whichever is lower. So over here we write buy closing stock, trading account credit side, 45,000. Second effect, do not forget please the second effect. Second effect for this goes to balance sheet asset. So let's go to balance sheet asset side. Closing stock 45,000. Adjustments are marking blue. Okay, hidden adjustment purple. Okay, bad debts ये typically है, typical था, highlight करने के लिए yellow use किया है मैंने. Okay, then 5% interest on partners capital is chargeable. Now interest on capital, very simple. Capital के नीचे interest on capital. So let's find out capital के नीचे interest on capital. So by interest on capital, let's calculate interest on capital. कितना परसेंटेज है? 5%. So 80,000 का 5% is 4,000 and 70,000 का 5% is 3,500. So एक इफेक्ट आ गया हमारा पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. दूसरा इफेक्ट आएगा P&L appropriation account. Now again we don't know whether we have net profit or net loss. So we leave first two lines blank and then we write to interest on capital. To interest on capital, we write the name of the partners, Ram, 4,000, Shyam, 3,500, underline कर लो, total कर लो 7,500. दो इफेक्ट पता चल गया सबको. नाउ ड्राइंग्स में भी ऐसा ही करेंगे. ड्राइंग्स के नीचे इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग, ड्राइंग्स के नीचे इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग. कितना परसेंटेज है इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग? 10% इज रिकवरेबल. 10% हम पार्टनर से मांगेंगे, 1,800 and 1,600. नाउ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, P&L appropriation account credit. Again first two lines blank by interest on drawings. Inner column Ram, Shyam, 1,800, 1,600, 3,400. So adjustment done. Now provide 10% depreciation on machine and 5% on furniture. Now depreciation on machine was already provided, so हमने उसको add back कर दिया, and now we will provide 10%. So minus depreciation on machine, %, 2000, inner column, outer column 18,000. यानी हमने जो पहले किया था वो 1750 था, वो अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं था, नॉट एज पर 10% था, तो जितना कैलकुलेट किया उसको ऐड बैक कर दिया और नया कैलकुलेट कर लिया. दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट एडजस्टमेंट. नाउ नॉर्मल सम की तरह ही करना, ये 10% वाला. यू गिव द सेकेंड इफेक्ट टू डेप्रिसिएशन on machine 2000. Next, provide 5% bad debt reserve on debtors. Now we go to debtors. Now debtors, we'll put this in yellow. We don't have bad debt as per adjustment, so minus, and bad debt reserve as per debtor 5%. So 2250, 45,000 का 5% is 2250. Outer column, subtract 42750. Now we go for the second effect. Now again bad debt as per adjustment is 0. Bad debt reserve as per adjustment is 2250. So we have to add 400. I'll do it mechanically for you. Plus 2250 minus, what is bad debt reserve as per trial balance? Bad debt reserve as per trial balance is 700. So it comes to 1950. Check कर लो. टू 650 का रिजर्व हमें चाहिए था, उसमें से ऑलरेडी 700 का रिजर्व था, तो नया रिजर्व कितने का बनेगा? 1950. आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस. नाउ यू ऑल नो दिस. आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस मींस एक्सपेंस जो हमें पे करना बाकी है. नाउ व्हेन कैन आई से कि ये मेरा आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस है? जब मैंने सर्विसेज अवेल कर दिया है, उसको हम कहते हैं आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस. सर्विसेज अवेल कर दिया है पर पैसा पे किया नहीं है. एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हम सबके घर पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का खर्चा हो रहा है, पर अभी तक हमने उसको, अगर बिल नहीं आया है, अब तो अभी जो हो रहा है उसका बिल तो बाद में आएगा, तो अभी ये हमारे लिए आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस है. पर एक्सपेंस है, खर्चा हो गया क्योंकि हमने सर्विसेज ले लिया. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? सबसे पहले एक्सपेंस में, रिस्पेक्टिव एक्सपेंस में ऐड कर दो सैलरी में प्लस आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी 150, outer column 15150. So salary, yes, 15150. मार्क कर देता हूं मैं इसको. सेकेंड इफेक्ट डोंट फॉरगेट, सेकेंड इफेक्ट साथ में ही कर लो. लायबिलिटी साइड,
Sir,
hmm?
3500.
सैलरी क्या है?
500, 500.
500 है. ओके, आई एम सॉरी, करेक्ट कर लो. ओके, आई एम सॉरी, सन्ड्री एक्सपेंस इज 150, salary is 500. Okay, please correct it. 500, 15500. Okay, now over here, Excel pay. First time I'm solving a sum, so pardon me for the error. Okay, then फाइनल अकाउंट्स का मेरी लाइफ का ये फर्स्ट सम है एक्सेल पे, तो थोड़ा आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू दिस मूविंग हियर एंड देयर. एनीवेज, नाउ आई टेक केयर. ओके, सन्ड्री एक्सपेंस 150, सन्ड्री एक्सपेंस तो प्लस कर दो. आउटस्टैंडिंग चुकाना बाकी है. सर्विसेज ले लिया बट पैसा पे किया नहीं, तो सर्विसेज ले लिया है तो खर्चा हो गया है, सो वी ऐड इन एक्सपेंस. और पे नहीं किया है तो पे करना पड़ेगा, तो सेकेंड इफेक्ट इज इट विल बी अवर लायबिलिटी. सो ओवर योर आउटस्टैंडिंग सन्ड्री एक्सपेंस 150, outstanding rent 150, rent which is yet to be paid. When can I say rent is yet to be paid? When I've already utilized the services, so it becomes my expense. I have not yet paid, so second effect will be it's our liability. So outstanding rent 150, second effect done. Now, as per agreement, partnership agreement, interest on capital is payable even if there is loss. तो अब क्या करेंगे हम? फटाफट क्लोज करना चालू कर देंगे? नहीं, we will take a deep breath एंड चेक करेंगे हर एक एडजस्टमेंट का दो इफेक्ट दिया है कि नहीं. इज दिस क्लियर? एक बार वो चेक करने के बाद ही तुम क्लोज करना चालू करोगे, बिकॉज अगर क्लोजिंग में कोई गलती हो गया तो सम रॉन्ग, अगर क्लोजिंग करने के बाद तुम्हें पता चला कि एक इफेक्ट रह गया, टैली नहीं हुआ, तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. तो फॉलो द स्टेप. Once adjustments are done, take a deep breath, go through the adjustment, see if you have given two effects or not. Check कर लो, दो इफेक्ट दे दिया सबने, thumbs up दे दो मुझे. thumbs up यानी डन, ठेंगा नहीं. हाँ, ओके, चलो, ग्रेट, नाइस. So let's start closing. उठा लो कैल्सी. I'm doing it on Excel, so I have some ease over here. Now we have to see which side is more. So credit side seems more over here. So we do the total. Same credit side ka total we write on the debit side, because debit side is lesser than the credit side. So now we have the total. Now 122,150 में से ये सबको हमें माइनस करना है. So that becomes our gross profit. So to profit and loss account, in the bracket you can write gross profit. You can also write to gross profit. Okay, that's not wrong. We have been doing this in 11, but in 12th standard textbook it is written to profit and loss, and then in the bracket gross profit, as if we are doing posting of the a journal entry. Okay, we are passing an entry, trading account debit to profit and loss account credit. Anyways, 1225150 minus 25,000 minus 58500 minus 400 minus 14,000 24250. चेक कर लेना प्लीज. 24250 ये हमारा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट है. सो it will be transferred to profit and loss account. So here we write by trading account. In the bracket you write gross profit. Now this is the reason why we have to leave two lines blank. Okay, अगर लॉस होता तो डेबिट साइड आता प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में. तो अगर हमने पहले से ये चालू कर दिया होता तो हमारे लिए जगह ही नहीं रहता. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कीप फर्स्ट टू लाइंस blank. Okay. Now let's go to profit and loss account, do the total. Now here we have to see which side is more. I have Excel so I can do it using the Excel
सर
functions. हाँ बोलो.
सर आपने डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन फर्नीचर नहीं दिया है, नहीं प्रोवाइड
बाकी
किया
क्या?
है. हाँ
Okay, see that's why don't start closing it. Great, thanks. Okay, minus depreciation on furniture. 5%. So 400. 7,600. Very good. Now see, this is what happens if we have forgotten anything. Then we would come to know at the end and then it will be too late. So please be careful. Okay, we give the second effect. To depreciation on furniture 400. Okay. Now let's check which side is more. I'll use the Excel function and check. You can use calculator. Now 32,400 is debit side and okay. So uh, let's check the total. Now ये correct कर लेना. Rent and taxes 5,000 में 150 add किया तो 5150 आएगा. So check कर लो और total कर लो. It comes to 32050. So 32050. Same we write over here. Underline, underline. Now here we have loss. So by net loss, which will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So we write by profit and loss appropriation account. Three two zero five zero minus 24250. So loss comes to 7,800. 7,800. Transfer it to P&L appropriation account. Always remember to keep first two lines blank. To profit and loss account. Net loss. 7,800. Now here we have to see which side is more. Again, here debit side is more. So we do the total. Now difference 5300 minus 3400, 11,900 by partners capital account. Now, what is the profit sharing ratio? It is 3 is to
6 is to
2.
4.
Sorry?
6 to 4.
6
6
is
is to 4.
6 is to 4 or 3 is to 2. Okay? So 6 is to 4, yeah, 3 is to 2. You can do it and like I think anything is comfortable with whatever is comfortable with you, Ram and Shyam. So 11,900 into zero point 0.6 and 11,900 into zero point 0.4. So 71404760 ये भी लॉस हो गया है. Okay, we transfer it to partners capital account, so to P&L appropriation account. We check 7140 and 4760. Now let's balance capital account. Okay, credit side is more for both of them. Now over here we go one by one to balance carried forward 84,000 minus 18,000 minus 1,800 minus 7140 57060 and over here 73,500 minus 16,000 minus 1,600 minus 4760. This balance we will transfer to balance sheet. Okay. ये बैलेंस bought forward है, इसको by balance, ये बैलेंस carried forward है, इसको by balance bought forward कर. Transfer this to balance sheet, capital account, Ram, Shyam. अंडरलाइन करके टोटल कर लो. One zero eight 200. Important. चेक करो बैलेंस शीट टैली हो रहा है कि नहीं. It's tally. Check कर लो, go through the adjustment, see if you have any doubts. If I try to get everything in the same frame, it becomes very small. So check it out. Okay, go through the question, go through the adjustments, see if you have any doubts. Here, even if there is loss, we have to pay interest on capital. It's already given, that's why we have provided. So that's it for this sum now. Uh, in homework, you have to do this sum illustration one once again, and you have to do question number 8. ओके गलती से इलस्ट्रेशन 8 मैंने मेंशन किया है, वो तुम्हें नहीं करना, अभी अभी इलस्ट्रेशन 1 और क्वेश्चन 8 ही करना है.